Yo, back at business today. My name is Xavier Yokana, the CEO of Devfrat Technologies. Yeah, I want to start by talking about a few things today, like where we ended. I'm sure we talked about many things, and I'll take you through a little. I'll take you a little bit shortly, as you can see. Like I've said, my name is Xavier Yokana. To begin with, I just wanted to tell you that in this world, there are many things that we do when we are sure that they are okay and very fantastic to everyone. But at the end of it, you will find that someone will come from nowhere to prove to you that what you're doing is not right. Do you also agree? I want to use a square. A square is a shape of four sides. We all know that a square carries all sides equal. But how do we implement this in normal terms? Can I say that everything is in a square? Not as such. A square tells you, when you look at the corners, every corner has got its angle, meaning that things do vary no matter sharing the same environment, but things do differ from one another. I want you to follow me and understand. Like I told you, we are in the world of technology. As we say that we are in the world of technology, what do I mean by living in the world of technology? Technology is a wide thing, very wide and good to understand. What about you? Technology calls for everyone to come on board. But are you on board? There are people who are driven not to live the analog way of life. Are you part of them? And are you ready to move out of the kind of life you're taking? Are you ready to move at the rest of the speed the world is trending? And do you know that the world is going to leave you if you don't wake up? Back to the square. There are four sides of a square. One side of a square says, there are things you know, and you believe you know them. And even your friends, and even those who are not your friends, they know them. Did you know about that? Next to that, I want you to understand that there are things that you know when other people don't know them. Did you know that also? Those are two corners of the square. On the same note, there are still things that your friends know, and for you, you have no idea about them. Think about it. Your friend might be a doctor, and for you, a farmer, meaning that in the field of medical, the other one is aware of that information for you in farming, meaning for you understanding more of the farming than understanding what is in the medical field. Then there is another corner of the same square. Life is what you make. If you want to be something, you must learn from others. There are things that we all know that they are right. Those are the four corners of a square. Since they have four corners of the square, what am I meaning today? Last time I told you, analog, there are people who don't want to live where they are to go to the next level. Like it or not, technology is forcing you to move to that speed. And you must abide by that. Because failure to abide, nature will fall and will force you to abide. Therefore, what do I mean? Whenever I come here, I talk about many things, and I want you people to follow. Because the moment you follow, understanding is yours. But why don't you follow? Is it subscribe, follow, and share? Is there something you lose? My friends, you following me up, you gain a lot because in this world, knowledge is power. The moment you say you don't know something, just trace your neighbor. You will find out that you'll have the solution. Now, in simple terms today, I have come to introduce to you an application. And I want to take you through this demo. The moment you get interested, I beg you, call me. Raise me up, come discuss. I have a complete school management authority. But on the same note, there are people willing to move from the analog side to come to the digital side. As I talk, there are many institutions struggling to join the digital world. Automation of power. Something that you can take for a week doing. Someone uses 5 minutes, 10, to accomplish the same activity that someone could take a week to accomplish. This school management system I'm going to talk about here, it is very, very cheap. If for you have never seen cheap software applications, try me up. You're going to enjoy. This application is the largest ever on the market. It is for the infant section, for primary level. For the secondary, I'm still coming up with it, and I know it will be done already. So what I beg you is to follow this. If you want a demo, physical attachment, just follow me up. Call me. I will show you physically on Zoom. If not Zoom, team of viewer, then we shall get in touch of where to meet. This application is very, very, very fantastic. By just a mere looking at it, you will be impressed, and at the end of it, you're going to take it. Be it a school which is very large, be it small, be it medium, we all need automation of these applications. Now, since that, we all need to embrace the powers of automation. The time is now. Are you ready to go? CEO, Isabel Yokana, Devfrat Technologies. I'm staging in Uganda. That's where I'm passing up. But my work, like I told you, is to share my simple insights with whoever needs them. Do you want them? And are you ready for them? Come closer to me, follow me up. I want to see. Let's go into deep. I'm begging you to leave the analog side. Come back to the digital, where things do work out. I know this is something naughty new to you. Many applications have been produced on market, I'm sure. But have you ever grabbed one? If not, the time for you to grab is now. You can grab one. Grabbing doesn't take you time. You know, most of the times people suffer. Most of the times people suffer by saying the applications are too expensive. The solution is here. What would you say? I've simplified it for you at a very cheaper price. Call me. I tell you how much it costs. You're going to enjoy. The process is simple. Just observe the move. This is how it appears. You just go. This is my project. I want you to see this project. I want you to look at this project. Then you understand. Like I said, this is a primary application. This one, which is ready. As you are seeing, this one is a primary application. You just need to open it from here. Just to follow all these folders. When you buy this application from me, you will take all these ones. They will be given to you. Reason, it works as one package. This is one package. This folder carries all the exams reports. This one, it is an examination folder, meaning it will carry all the report cards from KG1, that is baby class. And from baby class, it will go up to primary 7. That's for the infant. So it is now you to tell me exactly what you want to appear in this system. Then I will be figuring out to change some more things. And within a short time, I will deliver this application to you. This is KG1 up to primary 7 folder. No matter the size of your school, just get back to me. Everything will get back to you, and your problems will be solved immediately. This one is the signature, as you can see. This one carries only signatures. This one is for signatures. Whoever is at school and your signature is supposed to be applied somewhere, it is saved in this folder. When we open the application, you're going to see that there is somewhere where they are supposed to be applied. This application, like I told you from the beginning, that many applications on net, they work on net. But this application, I've made it clear that you don't need an internet connection for it to operate. Only that when you are starting it, it will require you to use an internet connection. Why? It has to grab the exact timing of your logging in to avoid some errors somewhere within the codes. Meanwhile, the application I'm going to open, it is not the one I'm going to give you because this one is a sample. But the one I will give you, it will be closed. It will be an extension, meaning it will be a complete closed system. Because as I was starting, I told you we have versions. I have two niche points. Security, which is securing the products I'm going to give you. I have to give you an application which is secured. I can't just drop an application to you which is not completely secured. Meanwhile, I have to defend who to use this application. That's the reason why I have two niche points: security against development, and many more will follow. Now, from there, I'll go straight back to this. This is where the project is: school management system project. Let me now increase my speed so as you can understand very fast. We pick on. In this folder, when you open it, you will see two items. I have an application called the School Management System version 3, meaning this is an advanced, the current one, it is version 3, which carries all the modules that a normal school operates on. Then, when you buy this folder from me, when you buy this application from me, I give an advantage, an offer of a logbook. A logbook, many people have books at school. Can't you appreciate for that? It's better you do appreciate, because your appreciation will make me feel that really everything is gonna work for me seriously. And by giving me support, I know all things will work out. Because when you buy one, I'm sure the following day you will come for the second one. How do you come for the second one? It is just a matter of saying, my friend, I've got you something better. And within the same state, you can even get me more than 10. And I always give percentages. So when you get me, you just tell me, I've got you a client. And once you get me a client, I can give you an offer. At least let me say an simple percentage such that we can share the same item with you. When you reach there, you'll understand that I'm now going into the application. When you open this application, the way it is opening here, it is not the same way it will open for the version I will give you. But at the end, when you open, you will see an interface of this kind. Meaning that when you see the interface of that kind, it will tell you exactly that this is an application which is ready for consumption. I developed this application for the institution that you're seeing on top there, which is Mkono Standard Nursery Junior School. When you look at it, this information which is here, it is what guarantees security for you. The more you enter wrong credentials into this system, you will have no access. Meanwhile, you will end here. That's what it means. So I beg you that at least you must be able to remember the password that you sign in with or that you create in with. In case you forget, I have 3 buttons here. This information that is here is mine, so no need to change it again. You see? Now from here, we have these buttons here that you're seeing up. Now everything will work out for you. So it's better now, as we are doing it, I want you to understand. I have reset, I have login. When you press login, login is just clear. Please log in. Logging in means you already have an account. If you have an account, you just log in. This information that you're seeing here, it will be set to fit your school. It will come with your information. We set up, then it will be given to you when it's set. Now, as here, you have to log in. Since you have already created, I will show you how to create up this. Then we have, that is it. Then I'll tell you, when you log in here, you click on login, meaning the information I've entered is what? It's wrong. So the moment you enter the information, no access to the application, you again continue. Still, when you enter this information, what happens? Incorrect pass. Until you fill the correct information, that is when you will qualify to log in successfully. Once you put in the correct information, automatically you will be prompted to that statement. Login successful, and automatically from there you have to enter direct. You will be given, or you will see this interface as you're seeing. Let me move very fast for you to understand a little bit. You can upload the head teacher signature. You just click here. This form will come. Exit. Then you go. If you want to print the student enrollment, you want to know how many you have at school. Just a click. You click and it will come. It is printing. Now you save. When you say you are saving, it will save. You close. And it will be seen. Print is done. Full stop. You can search for it. Set up. Now this is where we set up our system. You just click here. You put here the tokens and what. This information is used when you want to send messages to parents, or you want to send messages to your staff. In case you have a meeting, in case you are sending some information that you want them to do for you. Giving an example, you are an admin in the office and you don't want to go to this person. What you do, you send a message, a simple message to an individual or to a group. Then you say, please, I want you in the office. No need to do what. Just log into the system. You send a message. From there, we leave that one. Show tools. That one, those are mine. They are not of yours. Reset a password. In case you forget the passwords, this is how you just reset up. This is the screen for setting up. Now from there, what I do, you just log out. This is for logging out. In case you have done what you're supposed to do, you just click, pew, it will take you back. But before it takes you back, this is what it will say. Are you sure you want to log out? Then you say, yes, I want to go. It will bring you back to the first one. Once you say now, you are tired, you close. It will go. But before it goes, it first saves the information. That is security. Your work will not be lost. It is a search word. Let me take you back to the same system without wasting time. I want you to understand this application. I've given it time. Reason. I want you that if you are able, you can at least either you get me one or two clients. Devfrat Technologies is my company, is my business, which is ready to provide you all the business solutions that you want. From there, I'll go straight to you and I'll take you to the next part, which is this. These buttons you're seeing here, we have home. What is home? Home is this page that you're seeing here. This screen is the home page. This is where we control our information from. All these buttons, they are leading you to certain general points, meaning that the moment you use them, you learn a lot. We have this one, student. Giving an example, this is the student. This is where you fill. This is where you feed your information of the school. Registration takes place here. When you reach here, you just click on add a student. When you add it, you use the information, you add the student, you click here, you add the student ID. When you add the student ID, automatically things will work out. After that, you click on add. If you want to update, you want to search to delete, all the things you can do them at the same time. Now you can here print the admission immediately after registering the child. The admission will be read. The moment you complete feeding the information, the admission is already for consumption. Here, what you do is just use it, click, you just click on it, and it will print. Like, you just do this, and it will say, please, that field, which number have you given to the child? If the number, it was 7, now you click on the number comes here. Then you click on generate. Once generated, the receipt is already generated. I will not open it because of time. But I want to understand, the print is done. And you will give out, then you close. Now from there, you go back, you can either go to the fees database, or if you don't want to go to the fees database, you go to teachers. Let me go back to fees database. From here, this is the sheet for fees database. This is where we control our fees from. There are many buttons here. If you want to learn about them, what they do, just contact me. Grab this application at the cheapest price. You will not regret to use it. Please, my buzz, subscribe to my channel, share these insights. Never before this application has been on the market. It has come, grab, share, but why not sharing? Oh my God. Look at this amazing application. Look at it. If you want to grab it, follow me up. You'll have it. From there, you can take update payments. In case you have done something, you update from here. You register, you do the update in case someone has paid the date of payment. You just click here the date. It keeps on changing immediately. Whatever you want is done here. Whatever you do is done. All the button is, everything is automated. Nothing will take your time. Okay, well. Now, one scenario where many institutions suffer from is at this point, whereby you want to tell your student, the pupils you have at school, that next term, this is what you demanded. And when you add on what for next term, what you're supposed to get, we call them bulk bill sheets. A bill sheet is what summarizes what someone remained when is demanded and what is supposed to pay for next term. When you look at this is where we generate them. You can generate a single one. If you want to generate a single one, this is the screen that will come. You pick the student what? ID. That unique number that identifies that child from school is the one we use. Click on it and print. It will come automatically. If you want to generate for all, click on this. Generate bulk bill sheet. You just click, get a browser. This one will take you straight away to the folders that I told you that they will all be utilized. They are all supposed to be utilized. Reason? They are all set for functions. This is the folder for build sheet. When I grab it here, you select it. The moment you select, you click on submit. The moment you click submit, it will be printed out automatically. But I will not go into that. From there, you can settle issues, receipt. You want to print one receipt. If you want one receipt, you can generate it from here. You pick an ID, you generate. Okay, now you want to settle payment. You want to confirm, did this one pay or not? Did you pay fees and completed? Just pick an ID from here. It is here. Then you search. Did this one pay? Then you confirm. When's the payment? This is this William, student what? KG1, academic, paid amount, 600. If this is 600, that is okay, great. You go to the fees sheet. How much is this one supposed to pay? 600 when you look here, meaning paid already. you have already summarized your information. Hope you're enjoying. Keep following. I know you're going to enjoy a lot. I'm about to summarize. When you want to update the term, you just click here, change the term. This term 1, term 2, term 3, then you leave it, then you want a year, you go through this, then you check up, you close. The application will be done. How do you feel when you get me 1 or 2 of your friends to grab this application? Share this information to your neighbor. It will make sense that you are one of the members, the supporters of Devfrat Technologies in Uganda, or if not out. If you want to generate the many receipts of the learners, remember this one we said it is for only one issue receipt for individual. This is the option for printing many receipts at the same time. Just do this, browse. Browse means to get the folder where we dump or where we drop them. You can do this. We said this one is for signatures and what? Report cards. If you not use that one, you can pick those ones. Or you can pick exams. You know what you want. Then from there, you can say, I want this new one. Then you say, I'm going to use the new one. The moment you select, it will be selected here. And when you click submit, sure, in just 2 minutes, even if you have 1,000, it will be done. Then you print, you give out. Thank you for following. I'm glad that back you're still following up. This application is too amazing. If you want it, grab it at a very cheap price. Just call me up. We meet. You see. So this interface, I've left it now. For more information, contact me at Devfrat Technologies, Uganda. This is now student. I've talked about it. It's a screen, receipt. Now this information is for teachers. Let me take you to teacher's screen. Here, what we do, you register, add staff. This table update successfully. Meaning the moment you click on the add, it will update the database very fast before it opens. Now when you click open, it will give you this interface, manage staff information. Whatever you do, it is managed here. I say this application, never before you have seen it. Very amazing and very interesting. Contact me if you want to have access to it. It is ready because many people are using it outside. Just join the team of those who are using it. You will enjoy. I will not use a lot of time here. I will just close. After assigning the staff, you must be able to allocate the class. Teachers, class, and subject. Allocate them. Because every staff that joins must be given a responsibility to perform. Staff ID, name, gender, class, subject, other roles. Section. Then staff initial. These initials, most of the times we use them during the time of exams and what? Mark sheets, that's when we apply them. Grab this application, you'll enjoy it. Now from there, I won't take you straight, but print staff emis. You want staff emis? The emis is the general information that you collect from teachers. You print it out, and then you want to confirm. Print. It prints out automatically. You just give it a name, you save, and then it's done. Print is done, okay? All what? Oh my God, what an amazing application. Let me take you home. I think I've talked about this. Fees payment. I said fees that. This is for students. You have seen it already. From there, this is for teachers. You have seen it already. Now, when it comes here, you look at this interface. We have teachers, we have fees, we have classes, we have semesters. I only want to talk about the SMS. Then I will close. If you get interested, hello. Are you there for technologies? Then I say yes. You've met me, but subscribe. Then you say, pew. You are here to me. This is SMS. This screen will tell you SMS parents, SMS teachers. Do you want to send it to parents to teachers? Then you say, I want to send it to parents. You will come up with this. This interface is for sending SMS to parents. Now we have two options. We have option number one is for sending it to general staff, to general parents, the whole school. Then we have the second option is to send to independent classes, like we have baby class up to P7. Then for for secondary, we have S1 up to S6. Those are the classes. But as I've said, that this application is majorly made for primary for now, the one I'm using at the moment, though I have the one for secondary. When it comes here, the one for individual classes, the classes are here. Just grab a class, choose a class from here, P2, it will come. If information is there, you just click on get class. When you click on get class information, that are copied successfully, and it will update here. If you want now to pick for primary A7, if the information is there, you just click, it will bring the information. Then once it brings, you just click on compose mail. Then you write here and say, to meet you, to meet you tomorrow. To meet you tomorrow at 1 p.m. To meet you tomorrow at 1 p.m. for fundraising. Now, after that, what you do, you just click on what? Compose, message composed. Now, this message is here. To meet you tomorrow at 1 p.m. for fundraising, meaning already the message is there. Now, it is only this part which requires you to be connected to the internet. So we have to link this information. We link this application to your phone such that when you are sending information, it will share. If you on internet, you just send the information. After all, it will be connected to the line that is in your phone. Automatically, it will do the same application. It does the same work. It sends the information. Then someone says, please, the message is already sent. Now there is an error here. Reason it is not yet connected. I'm offline. So you will see that it will look for what to do. It is not yet set. So it will open excel.exe. This is server API. Publish is asking for username and password. Reason? I'm not yet signed in. I'm offline for them. Thank you for that. Now, if you want now to send information to the whole school, you just click on create parents. Now, this information comes here because I've locked some things and I don't want to interfere with it. So this message will come like that, interference. So that one will leave because I don't want it to interfere. Thank you for following. Now, if you don't want that one, now you want to say, I want now to call to send messages to parents. Parents is done. Now we go to, you want to send it out to staff. This is still for staff. The same process happens. What you do, we already set up. On the first time when you give me the application to install it, this information will be given to you. Such that in case of anything, no need to call me. You just set up by yourself. What you do, you compose. You just compose from here, the same story. Then you say compose after, the information will enter. Then you create the SMS list. Creating SMS list means you are now filling this table. Let me give you an example. When this information is not here, you can say, I don't want this information to appear. I've given an example of this information now. Of now, clear content. Now you see, when you click here, that create the SMS list, this information will be first and it will be brought. You see, this information comes here automatically. Then after, you say send messages. Then after that, you can go back and move around all this application. I think I've said a lot, but if you have learned, follow me. Don't hesitate. Share this for your neighbors. Share this application to your friends. I know you will learn a lot. This application is too amazing. Why not grab one? Grab it. Take it for your school. Share it with your friends. I said when you buy this application, you are given a free logbook. Logbook is a visitor's logbook. It is an application that registers information for the visitors at your station. From here, I've not talked about this. There's a lot of things here. Here we have student details. Student details, you have seen it. Now the same thing, we have student emit data. This is the student emit data. Whatever you register the other side, it comes here, automatic. I've gone. When you go again, continuously issue admission. Admission receipt is this one. Everything is set automatically. Admission, the moment you register, it already print out the receipt. I've gone. When you go to another thing, it's called a mark sheet. This is where the problem is to many institutions. Balancing up, timing, and accuracy. The problems appears whereby you cannot have something easy for someone to enjoy. So what you do, you want to print for primary one. I will go to this. Whatever you fill in the exam sheet is what appears here. I will show you the exam sheet, template, how it looks. You fill whatever you fill here, it just enters here automatically. So your work is to fill the exam results and the rest will be done automatically. That is the power of VBA. And they know whoever has a laptop and a desktop, you can use this application at your site. Not only the school management system, even the financial one, loans and what. There are many applications that we have for now, but what you ask is what we give. Because we can have an application which is not suiting to your needs. Your work is to tell us what you want. We develop for you what you want, exactly. You'll have the solution out. Now, when it comes to a mark sheet here, this mark sheet, there are buttons here. We have exam scores. You want to confirm the results from the scores. Mark sheet, print. This is the mark sheet. Mark sheet, this one takes you back to this one. To grab another one. Then you print the same one, this one takes you back. Exam scores. This is the exam scores we have. For all classes, they have their temperatures. Now here we have many buttons. When you grab this application, we take you through for 1 or 2, 3 days to learn how to use this application. And you will learn and you will not regulate. Do you appreciate my work? Do you also appreciate the time I sit down to come up with this? Where have you ever seen this application? Outside there, working offline with a lot of ingredients, the way this one is operating. It's here. Look at it. Class, you go back to class. Create exam list, it is created. Exam, created. It is this one. Clear scores. Now, if you have information, giving an example, I have 89, I have 67. When I say clear scores, do you want to clear the information? Then you say yes. Automatically, you see, the information is cleared. No more. It goes. There is no deleting one by one that you want to delete. That one will take you time. Grab the application and enjoy the features. You will see. Then this is for primary one, import scores. Now this is scores. Importing means we can get one sheet out of this application. This is now the power of VBA. You will ask yourself, I have one. You will say you have one application. But how do you give it to the staff to fill it? The issue is not giving staff to fill. That you will carry the computer, that is administrative, you give to staff. What you do, you use these two buttons, import and export. Export means remove only this sheet from the system you send to staff. If you have more than 2 or 3 computers, you put it on, you just carry these sheets, you fill there. The moment after filling the results, your work, you as an admin, your work is to import. You bring the same sheet that you took, and it will fill whatever that you've done here. I think I've said a lot. Are you not convinced? If I told me I'm convinced, that I've convinced you. Yeah. What can I say? Support me. Support me. Be my supporters. Sponsor my work. Give me more support so as I can produce more insights to the world problems. Let us simplify people's work. Those who are struggling to writing mark sheets, grab this application so as real you can enjoy the power of automation. VBA is the power. Now, after using this application, you feel you're tired. Like the way I'm doing it, I want to close by saying hi to you. But how am I saying hi to you? I cannot go without closing my door. I have to close my door. How do I close the door? By saying log out. Are you sure you want to log out? When I say no, it will stop. This one is next. This is the primary one. I want to go to the next class. Now I've reached primary 2. I want to go to P3. I will go. I want to go to P4. I want to go to P5. I want to go to primary 6. Then I will go to P7. When I reach P7, I will go back to here. Exam scores for baby what? For KG1. But I feel you are convinced. No more words. I thank you for listening to me. I call upon God, the Highness, the Creator of the universe, to touch your heart and enters and it tells you to call your neighbor to welcome me, to give you this application at a cheaper price. You will appreciate later. Let us close the door by doing yes, I've gone. When you reach here, it's okay. We say, yes, I want to go to sleep. That's where now I'm going. And then we go sleep. Completely, we meet. I think for those words, you have learned a lot. Thank you for listening to me. I remain Isavili, your kind and the CEO, Devfrat Technologies. Grab this application. Grab the application. If you have an application that you want me to develop for you, call me. Send a message. You will have it. Whatever you want, you're going to have it. Just contact me. Send me a message. On all the platforms, you'll see my message receiving the thanks and the appreciations from all what you do. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye. Subscribe, share, and live longer. Long live God. My country, Uganda. For God and my country, Uganda. See you again. I salute you.